Blueberry muffins are a delightful treat, especially when they're moist, bursting with blueberries, and have a tender crumb. Here's a recipe for delicious homemade blueberry muffins. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 3. Half teaspoon baking soda. 4. Half teaspoon salt. 5. Half cup unsalted butter, melted and cooled slightly. 6. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 7. 2 large eggs at room temperature. 8. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt or sour cream. 9. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 10. 1½ cups fresh or frozen blueberries. If using frozen, do not thaw. For the streusel topping, optional. 1. 3 tablespoons cold unsalted butter, cubed. 2. 1/3 cup granulated sugar. 3. 1/3 cup all-purpose flour. 4. Half teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease the muffin cups lightly. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In another bowl, whisk together the melted butter and granulated sugar until well combined. Add the eggs one at a time, whisking well after each addition. Stir in the Greek yogurt or sour cream and vanilla extract until smooth. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Avoid overmixing, a few lumps are okay. Gently fold in the blueberries. If you're making the streusel topping, combine the cold butter, sugar, flour, and cinnamon in a bowl. Use a fork or your fingers to blend the ingredients until they form a crumbly mixture. Divide the batter evenly among the muffin cups, filling each about 3/4 full. If using the streusel topping, sprinkle it generously over the muffin batter in each cup. Bake in the preheated oven for 18 to 22 minutes or until the muffins are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. Once done, remove the muffins from the oven and let them cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. These homemade blueberry muffins are moist, flavorful, and perfect for breakfast or as a delightful snack. They're best enjoyed fresh but can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for a couple of days. Enjoy these delicious muffins with a cup of coffee or tea.